How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all my 1987 GMC Sierra Classic. There she is. She's a bit old and needs a little bit of TLC. A lot of TLC, actually. I built this fine piece of art right there back in high school, actually. Put that billet grill on there. Let me just show y'all the motor here. You can see that. Yeah. This was high class back in the day. What is that? Power windows and locks? You had to be pretty fancy to be rolling around in this back in the day. Let's take a look at what else I got on hand. First projects I'm gonna start putting out on YouTube. Got a few. Don't have a lot of money to throw at it, but you know, I'll get by. Maybe as a side project, I'll fix that old bad boy up right there. Let's zoom in on that. See if y'all can see what that is. Oh yeah, looky there. I'm not very good at this camera yet, but I'm figuring it out. That's a 14-footer right there. You don't find them every day. Okay, maybe you do, but not in that kind of condition anyway. Usually in better condition. All right. Now, I know y'all see that right there, but she's not for sale. That right there is a magnet. I'm telling you. Whew. You see that? I mean, forget the other projects. That right there should be what the whole channel's about. Okay, it's paid off and it gets good gas mileage. Take a look. 96 Jeep Cherokee Classic. Yeah. I believe, if I remember right, she's sitting at about 3 inches of lift. I'd honestly like to kick that up to about 6 inches. We'll see. I'll have to do some additional work for 6, but you know, you work with what you got. 3, 6, you know. All right, I'm just giving y'all a good little view of me, obviously, not the Jeep. Here we go. Y'all see that? That is something you don't find every day. That is a Gorilla Tape window. That's what happens when the lawnmower gets a hold of one of these mini rocks around this yard, but not all of us can be that cool. Let's see, this thing's got the 4.0 liter straight 6 in it, high output. What else you got? I just put a new transmission in here, the AW4, which is factory. It's I sunk this thing a couple years ago and the transmission went out shortly after, and about everything else you can imagine. But no worries, she's running again. But I need to put a new fuel pump in it because that's left me stranded on 2 different occasions. So, I believe we got the MP242 transfer case. I'll have to look at that and make sure, but I better get that right, because one of my projects I want to do on this channel is installing a slip yoke eliminator. So, if that's something you're interested in seeing, let me know in the comments. I'd also like to build a budget bumper kit for this thing. So right now I've still got the old stock bumpers on here. You know, if we get real crazy, we may just do a LS swap into here too. I don't know. It just depends on how successful this channel is. Y'all should probably know is I don't have a shop. So that'll be one challenge on this channel, but it's never stopped me before. So just make things interesting. For now, maybe one day I get a shop with a lift, and that toolbox, and all that cool stuff that people have in shops. Oh well. I do have a swimming pool though. I don't know how that helps me with this channel, but I don't know. It is nice. I could put a garage door in my house and turn the living room into a shop. Maybe one day. Whew. This camera gets heavy after a while. I've also got to figure out how to video myself while working on something. I'm not even good at videoing myself while not working on something, so that should be interesting also. As well as working on editing videos. Those are some of the projects I got. If y'all'd like to see any other things done to either of these two vehicles, y'all let me know down in the comments. Also, if you're interested in following along, please go subscribe to my channel and like my video.